Hello everyone, myself Lakshita Shora is here to tell you about some fundamental forces of nature. The first one is gravitational force. This is the force of mutual attraction between two objects by virtue of their masses. This force is directly proportional to the product of the masses of two objects and inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. It is the weakest force in nature and follows the inverse square law. It is a conservative force. The next force is weak nuclear force. This is the force of interaction between elementary particles of short lifetime. This force is 10 raised to the power 25 times stronger than gravitational force. It exists between leptons and mesons. The third force is electromagnetic force, which is the force between the charged particles. This force is directly proportional to the product of charge and inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. This force may be attractive or repulsive and follows inverse square law. It is 10 raised to the power 36 times stronger than the gravitational force. This force is conservative as well as central. The fourth and the last force is strong nuclear force. Strong nuclear force is the force that binds neutrons and protons in the nucleus of an atom. It is the strongest force in nature and is 10 raised to the power 38 times stronger than the gravitational force. This is a non-central and non-conservative force. Thank you.